welcome to the VAT19 factory, where we make thinking putty. Finally, I spit it out. Why is my mom embarrassing me on camera? And we make thinking putty and even merch. Some stuff is random stuff like fidget toys. Enough with the fidget though. Now, what VAT19 is best known for is something that can be smaller than usual and something that can be very, very bigger than the real thing. But what did I have to say? Oh, these are not lifesavers. These are not small gummy bears. These are not hard candy ring pops. It's a gummy ring. The ring that you could put on the gummy that you could put on your ring and enjoy at the same time. It's coated and sour, so you get that sweet taste. Oh, I'm just kidding. It's really sugar. You don't get to enjoy sourness. That'd be for the world's largest sour gummy ring. But this is a thing to enjoy. You can get you can just get a little one, but you can get a whole thing of these. VAT19 makes these especially really good. They're chewable, and they're not hard to swallow at all. Also, they're not hard candy, so you can enjoy a nice, soft, not pillow flavor, but pillow feeling. It's not a lot, but when you bite it in half, you can see what that thing looks like. Hey, Crazy Aaron, what do you have to say? Be right back. Well, got it back. Whoa, you guys are back. Oh, man. Whoa. I'm ready to get. Yeah, I got the gummy and I'm gonna eat it. Don't eat the whole thing. What? I said don't eat the whole thing. I don't know what you're talking about, but I said don't eat the whole thing. He's a little crazy, so what? Why does you sound like Jack? No! Why did I just sound like a girl? No! Ah! Get your gummy ring today and remember to make them bite. Try this. Sticky. Finally, order now at VAT19.com. Well, just to let you all know, this is not the VAT19 factory. This is my house, as you can see. Also, when I was using for this for lifesavers, I did not use real gummy rings, and I don't think that VAT19 makes any gummy rings. I know they don't, but I'm not sponsoring you lifesavers at all. Sponsoring VAT19. Remember to enjoy their gummies. Remember to eat their gummies and to enjoy their thinking putties. Whoa! Enough with the gummy. Buy yourself some super love thinking putty, or maybe liquid glass. I'm Crazy Aaron, and I approve this message. Whoa! Check out Crazy Aaron's thinking putty. Crazy Aaron sure is crazy. Remember, it's stretchable. It's terrible. Not terrible in a bad way. And even sculptable. So remember, you can enjoy yourself some nice thinking putty and buy it at VAT19. Oh, I forgot something. It could do this. Wow. Okay, where did it just go? Just remember to order yourself some thinking putty today. Crazy Aaron. Ow! Crazy Aaron, stop biting my leg like a dog. I just like it. Oh my God. Remember to buy yourself some thinking putty. And remember to buy yourself, not lifesavers, but other gummies at VAT19.com. Even though I don't work for VAT19, I love sponsoring them. So remember to go to VAT19.com to check out their products. And remember to check out their YouTube channel to watch their epic videos. Well,